Challengeers. Today we are beginning a 3-day adventure and we're taking you along with us. Right now we are at the Holiday Inn in Hightstown, New Jersey, where we will be staying the night before we head out to Seaside Heights tomorrow. We have our level 8 suitcases with us. This is our textured one, and this is the stride one. Notice how this is a hard case and more scratch resistant, and it's got the TSA approved lock on it, which is pretty cool. Nice spin, and it's easy to navigate with. Over here we've got the stride version. Now this is more of a cloth based kind of ordeal, and it's not very hard shell like this one. So when you compare them together, it kind of looks like one's bigger than the other, but in fact they kind of are pretty much the same.
Let's see how they roll.
They roll just fine. Level 8 was gracious enough to allow us to feature these today in today's episode. We're currently moving these across hard pavement at the moment. There's no jerking in the wheels, no nothing. This is the kind of suitcase I like. So now we're gonna take you inside the hotel, show you around a little bit, and give you a room tour. Now we're on some
What are you
hard
doing? A little
floors.
dance, a little twirl
Little twirls.
on the dance floor?
Twirls on the dance floor.
I don't believe you.
Notice on the hard floor.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Again, my kind of suitcase.
Mm-hmm.
Carpet, we gotta put a little bit of oomph in it
Ah,
because it doesn't really go as good on carpet.
it's not a good a roll on the carpet.
No, I don't think
Well, that
it's
stands to reason,
Yeah,
right?
right.
Try to spin them. Ah, see?
Welcome to the room tour of 125 here at the Holiday Inn. We're gonna start in here with the bedroom. Look at how big this bedroom is. It's like a bed living room.
King size bed.
Right, you got a little chair over there with a table. You got a little ottoman that's literally holding our suitcase. Another one here with some ample storage there holding a suitcase. You got your desk, you got your mini bar and whatnot, your television, your lamp, your coffee, your table. Geez, did you get us a suite or something?
Look at this, you even got a refrigerator.
We got a refrigerator. Of course, it's not stacked. And then these drawers have a lot of room in there. But hey, I'm eyeing down that bed.
Take me away.
Oh my God, did you not just do that? Let's show them the bathroom. We've got a nice bathroom, tacky little wallpaper, but that's okay. And there is the big shower. And based on the way the toilet was just filling up, I don't think that's a very good flush test. Why don't you show us our view behind those curtains?
There isn't much of a view.
There's not much of a view. What?
We're on the first floor.
Come on.
We're on the first floor.
Yeah, no, there's not much of a view at all.
There you go.
All right. So we are going to pony up, as they say.
Go to the Pink Pony Club.
No, we're not. We're going to go try to find some food. But before we do that, let's show them the suitcases, how much stuff we've actually packed in these level 8s. Because they look small from the outside, but they're really not. Mr. Murphy, what kind of traveler would you say would be the perfect traveler for a level 8 suitcase?
This is a maximum of 3 days.
Wow.
We have towels for the beach. We have our toiletries. Over this side here, we have my CPAP machine and our hats protect us from the sun.
Impressive.
So there really isn't much by way of clothing in there.
Okay, so that one has nothing in it.
Right.
But this one, on the other
That one
hand,
has no clothing in it.
right? Well, that's what I just
And then
meant.
this one has a little clamshell on the top. And you can see
Wow,
that
it's packed.
it's got room for shirts and dresses and more shirts.
Wow.
All of
Okay,
our bathing
I get
suits.
your point. That's a lot of clothes. That's a lot of clothes. Yeah.
Right.
You did good. Now, the other compartments, do they hold a lot too?
Well, this has the expansion, but the expansion zipper only goes for the bottom portion of the bag.
Oh.
So it could be a little bit more expansion than that.
I see.
But if you look, you can see it's kind of like at an angle, like it's wider on the bottom and thinner on the top.
So 3 days worth.
And in here,
ooh,
I put our stash of vitamins.
And in case you guys are wondering what vitamins, these are AG1. We've been with them for a while now, and they're pretty good. And
you have this here where you can put your passports in there, or your keys.
So how many days worth?
Your money. 3 days will fit in here.
3 days. 3 days. So that's not bad. Cover you for about a week.
3 hotel nights, 3 days of clothes in one bag, and our toiletries and our other essentials over here. We fit everything in 2 level A carry-ons. If you're flying, I don't think you can fit this in the upper compartment.
No.
With the expansion open, but that one you can.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to put it in the overhead anyways. Because I would rather just want to have like an essential bag or something. They don't really belong in the overhead.
I could show them your essential bag.
Well, let's spin the camera around.
Let's see what you got here.
So this is a Tangier backpack. You can get this on Amazon. And if I remember, I'll put the link in the description below. But all this expands right here. I'm not going to expand it right now. You can open this part up all the way down. It's like a suitcase in itself. It's got storage in here, which I've got my laptop in there.
Yay me!
There's a zipper here, which right now it's just holding
my keys.
2 sets of keys. There's also this part you can put on your suitcase so you don't have to carry it. 2 water bottles. These we acquired after being on the Norwegian Gem, where our friend Lisa Fegan, she introduced us to this style of backpack, and we have not been traveling without it since.
All right.
We're currently on our way to the dinner destination, but look at that sunset. How pretty is that? Driving through the town of Hyatt, New Jersey, it's very quaint, it's very quiet. Never been in this part of New Jersey before, and you'll see why I say that tomorrow when we get to Seaside Heights, because it's very busy down there, but nice and quiet, not a lot of cars, and the dinner joint, as Mr. Murphy would call it, is just right down the road, 2 miles. Mr. Murphy always finds the good dinner joints, but in a shopping plaza, really?
Gyro King and Grill, and the sign says open.
Let's go. Inside Gyro King and Grill here in Hightstown, New Jersey. Look how colorful that wall is. That's really cool. And they've got their little bar over here. Look at all those choices. And you got your shawarma. Oh man, I'm getting...
Next order, please.
Oh, nice. Look, oh my God. That's not ours, but still it looks good. Tells you right here, you've got allergies. Tells you exactly what it's got covered. Look at all their awards. Satisfactory all the way. God bless America. I love their wall. It's pretty.
No problem.
Feast your eyes on this amazing menu. Lots of choices. And it's not just one side either. Got a second. His kebabs are done in Pakistani style. Have you ever had that before? Feast your eyes on this.
What is that?
This is their homemade drink with mango, milk, and yogurt.
It looks like mango color.
That's really good.
For real?
It's not real heavy. Nothing like that. My hand was in the way. Sorry, guys.
It's very creamy. Wow, that's good.
Ladies and gentlemen, he does this to me every time. French fries, some salad, some gyro, tzatziki sauce. What more can that? Oh, and chicken. Amazing.
It's like perfectly seasoned.
Is that right?
They put the white sauce over the top. Gave us some extra white sauce on the side. Spicy sauce if you so desire. And look at that nice salad. Mediterranean salad. One more thing. Underneath this pile of food somewhere is French fries. So if you want to eat French fries, you gotta dig.
Oh, hi.
Looks like you almost finished it.
Almost.
Almost? What do you got now?
I don't know.
It looks like miniature baklava. What are you gonna do with those?
After you take a picture, I'm going to eat one.
Okay.
We're using the Insta360 Pro, and it has a button while the video's going off that you can take a picture of the actual baklava, which is what he's doing right now.
Got it.
Good. So, a little flaky texture. Smells like baklava.
Great bite-sized pieces.
So, what did we think?
I really enjoyed the Gyro King and
too.
Grill over here.
Me too.
The platter that came out reminded me exactly of the dish that we eat when we go to Amsterdam. They ladle the meat and veggies and all the salad, all on top of an order of French fries.
Yep.
And for some reason, they stayed crunchy, and I love crunchy.
It was good. It was really good. Now we're gonna go back to the hotel and give you a recap of our day. What a day.
Yeah, we got to work till 5 o'clock, and then we got to hit the road.
I fell asleep in the car twice coming down.
Traffic wasn't all that bad. We were supposed to get here in 2.5 hours, and we did.
The new Youngblood album puts me to sleep.
Oh, hell. You gotta pay attention. You
I
gotta
know.
listen.
I know. So we arrived here at the Holiday Inn here in Hightstown, New Jersey. Showed you the room tour, went out to eat, showed you where we ate, showed you our level 8 suitcases. And I agree, they are good suitcases for a short trip. It holds 3 days worth of clothes. We've got them packed to the gills. Nothing really exciting on TV just yet, so we're gonna see what movie we can find and see what else we got going on. Of course, I've got my Stoicism book with me. Not that it's helping lately. Tomorrow we are doing the annual trip to Seaside Heights. We weren't here last year due to the weather, so this technically would be the 5th time that we would be at Seaside Heights, but 1 year was MIA because of the weather, and we landed in Lancaster instead. Check out our other video about level 8. Check out the playlist for more day tripping adventures, and we'll see you in Seaside Heights tomorrow.
Good night, everybody.